Today, Sarah and I are really excited to make a feta and tomato confit dip. Let's get started. In the food processor, we're gonna put the feta as well as some cream cheese. Since we have this wonderful oil from the confit, the tomato confit, we're gonna add some of this, as well as some wonderful honey. There we go. We'll cover it up, blend it, and then you will see how we will plate it. Let's peek inside, and it's already becoming nice and creamy. I think it is ready. Look at how nice and creamy it is. It's so smooth, and let's taste it. So delicious. Very, very good. Let's plate it now. Look at this. So incredibly creamy. Now we're gonna have to toast our naan. The oven is already ready outside, and we will serve it with the naan. We're gonna put the naan in the preheated oven just to heat up right there. And then we have the tomato confit that we put in this pan because we think that the contrast with the cold dip and the warm tomatoes is gonna be wonderful. Our naan is perfectly heated up. And now we'll get the tomato confit out as well. And here is our tomato confit. Let's take it inside and assemble everything. Look at this amazing creaminess here. Oh yes. Now in here, we're going to put some of the oil. Just drizzle it all over. And these tomatoes and the karamate olives. And we're just gonna keep placing this on here. Oh wow, this will be so mouth-watering good. Now just a little drizzle of this honey right over the top, not much. And we are ready to serve this. I think we need a few more olives right here in the center. To finish it off, we're gonna place a little sprig right there, and then scatter some of these little leaves all over, and we can't wait to dig in. Oh yes. So here, I'm gonna rip some of this nice warm naan off, and we can just come in here, dig in, get some of the dip and the tomato confit, and this will be absolutely incredible. Buon appetito!